Hi, I'm Laura,
I'm Mike.
and we are Match Made in Heaven. And this is Roscoe. So today our video is going to be hanging a rustic barnwood wall. We're using a new product that we found at Lowe's that's cheaper than the shiplap, and we wanted to try it. So hope you enjoy this video and it helps you out some. If you like this video, sign up for the notifications, give us a thumbs up, and hopefully we will have more videos in the future.
Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day, and God bless.
This is what we got. Reclaimed wood design barnwood planks, and I think they were $15 a box for 10 square feet. So that was so much cheaper than the shiplap. We like the packaging. It's got an open space here where you can actually feel the product and feel that it's like barnwood. It's pretty rough. So this is how they come. There's long pieces, there's short pieces, so you can fit it together and make it look like an old-fashioned barnwood wall. So we're going to get this installed and see how we like it.
Here's the wall where we're going to be doing the install. This is, you can see there's some pecs in the wall. We have electrical in the wall. We have the metal to protect, but we're going to use our air gun and nail in. We just got a small install here, fresh wall, so it should be pretty easy. We're going to have to cut, and over here we've got drywall that's been painted, and then on this side we're ending up here flush with some drywall. So I don't know what we're going to do yet on trim, but we'll see. But that's just the install wall.
Tell us why you use 2 pieces of flooring underneath it.
So I'm making sure I have enough space there, because if I use 1 piece then it's going to be tight. Things swell. So I'm going to use 2 pieces to make sure I have enough room to get the floor under later.
Good idea.
Okay.
Now what do you want?
I want the nail gun so I can nail this piece in that I've cut. We're going to start at the bottom with a full length, and then we'll be using smaller pieces here as we go up.
Okay. We have a dilemma. We have these 2 shorter pieces, but they butt up against each other, not on a stud. So one of them, it kind of goes back toward the wall, and the other one will be flush with the stud. I think we like it better, not like that, but more of a rustic wall, like you would find in an old barn. So I think we're going to leave it like that and see what happens.
We could cut at the stud, and we could nail, join everything at each stud if we wanted to, but we only bought 30 square feet of this stuff, and our wall is about 28 square feet, so we can't sacrifice. So our choices are do that, which I think we kind of like, which is not level, not flush joints, or we could go buy some more and have lots of waste and nail at the studs. But we're going to try this, or we could lay these down and try to put some staple on the back and try to join those together so they would be flush, and then cut 1 piece at a time. So that would be the third option. And we kind of like the easy option of not doing anything, just nailing it and letting it be uneven. It's going to look more rustic. So give it a shot. Is it coming?
I think we're getting there.
So you're just marking flush there with the drywall,
Yes,
and then we're going to figure out if we want to put some trim down that
yes,
or to leave it at later date.
yes.
Looking good.
Yep.
We're about over 3/4 or close to 3/4 up. Looking good.
Here's the finished product, looking at it straight on. I like the way it turned out. I think it looks really, really good. We'll just have to get some trim to put at the top. And I love it. Bringing a little Nashville into the Franklin.
Thanks for watching. By the way,
Don't forget to check out our merchandise on Teespring.
appreciate your support. Have a great day.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.